Failing my CA exams was the best thing that ever happened to me. हाँ, I know कि it sounds controversial because India में when you fail an exam, people think your life is over. But for me, that failure was like a doorway. मतलब it was a way कि मैं खुद को डिस्कवर कर पाऊँ. Like it was a way for me to discover my different version completely. Because I never thought in my wildest of wildest dream that at the age of 24 I would be starting or I would be running my own company, a social media marketing agency named Show. Because I was that little girl who believed that success only comes through traditional career paths like doctors, engineers, CAs. And I was also following the same path. Matlab, I worked hard, like really hard. Matlab, I used to spend countless nights studying, hoping that one day I will have those two letters which would define my life. And I was crazy for CA. Like I was too much for CA. I used to spend sleepless nights studying for my exams. But you know what? After giving multiple attempts, like I started to lose myself. Like I was tired, I was frustrated, and honestly, I was very much emotionally exhausted because there was a point in my life when I started feeling quite depressed also. So then there is a kind of silence that comes when you start questioning the entire path which you are following, right? And one day, I don't know what happened, but I realized something that maybe this is not meant for me. If God is giving me multiple signs, and even after so much hard work and giving multiple attempts, I'm not able to clear this, then this might not be the right path for me. I was chasing someone else's version of success, but I had no time to discover mine. And since I was working as a model also, so parallelly I was like creating content with brands, working with brands, and I was used to create like videos for brands related to infotainment, related to aesthetic, authentic ones, some UGC style videos. So I already had an idea that how UGC videos are created, how brands get views through UGC content. And that's how I got introduced about the whole user generated content ecosystem. Okay. So at that time, it was fascinating to me that brands were not just looking for big influencers, but they were also looking for small creators like us who don't have much follower base, but who can create good, authentic content that can actually become a stop scrolling content for their brand. Because आजकल के मार्केट में ना ज्यादा एस्थेटिक और ज्यादा पॉलिश कंटेंट भी इतना वायरल नहीं होता है ना? So and that was a thought that came to my mind ki what if there was an agency that blends creativity, storytelling and strategy. Because आजकल के टाइम पे मोस्ट ऑफ द डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी और या सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग एजेंसी कह लो, they are just creating normal boring creatives, and that's what they call marketing. But that was the idea that came to my mind, and that's where Shore was born. I wanted Shore to be more than just a social media agency because I wanted it to be a place where ideas turn into impact, into actual impacts, where brands feel seen, where they feel heard and understood. I still remember that we started so small. It was just me and my phone and few clients who believed in my vision. And slowly and gradually we grew from one project, one video, one brand at a time. And today Shore helps brand grow through content that actually converts. Like whether it is UGC content, social media marketing, meta ads, performance marketing, influencer marketing, everything comes under the roof of Shore. And every time I see a client's brand growth, I am remembered why I started. Because looking back, I realized that not clearing CA was not a failure. It was a redirection. Because, like, maybe if I had cleared it, I wouldn't have discovered the creator, the strategist, the entrepreneur inside me. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, लाइफ डजंट गिव यू व्हाट यू एक्चुअली वांट बिकॉज इट्स प्रिपेयरिंग यू फॉर व्हाट यू आर मीन्ड फॉर. And this is what I have realized in my journey. I learned that success doesn't always come from following the safest route. Like sometimes it's about taking a leap into the unknown, trusting your gut, and creating something that's truly valuable and that is truly yours. If you're watching this and you are stuck or you are confused or maybe feeling like your plans are not working out, trust me, God has some great plans for you. Take this as a sign that sometimes your failure is your greatest redirection. Because at least in my case, this has happened with me. Because अगर मैं three एग्जाम्स में फेल नहीं होती तो श्योर बॉन्ड नहीं होता. Because sure is born from uncertainties, from risks, and from belief. And this is just the beginning. So, on my channel, it's my first video, and I wanted you all to welcome Sure, where stories meet the strategy. And if you want to follow my journey of building a social media marketing agency from scratch, then this is a true roadmap for you. Subscribe to this channel because we are just getting started, and your support will be very valuable for us. Till then, we'll meet in the next video with more insights, more tips and tricks, and more personal stories. Don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe if you related with my story. Until then, मिलते हैं next video में with some real insights and some real content. तब तक के लिए bye bye, शबा खैर, good night.